Today, I'll be reviewing AIWrappers, which allows you to create AI apps by just chatting with a chatbot. You can white label these on your own domain or client domains. You can sell these apps. You can use them to build your lists. So I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of this platform. And in case you're interested, there's a link in the description below where you can get more information about the pricing, available upgrades, some bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. So make sure to check that out. For now, let me show you how this app works. So currently I'm logged into my own dashboard, and here you can see some apps that I already created. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you a few apps so that you have an idea what kind of apps you can create. So the first app that I want to show you is Ink Vision. This is a nice app that I've created where you can preview a tattoo ID instantly on your own body. So if you want to see how a tattoo looks on your body, it works like this. So this is the app that I created. It's called Ink Vision here, where you can upload your own body tattoo. So here you upload your picture. You simply take one of the pictures here. So for example, this one, I want to see how a tattoo looks on this guy here. This could be your own picture, of course. And then you give your tattoo a description. So in this case, I want to have a majestic eagle with sharp, piercing eyes and powerful wings. And then I need to decide where I want to place the tattoo. Now, in this case, it's on the back, of course, because I want to show it here, but you could do it on the arms, on your chest, whatever picture you upload, you provide the info here, and then you click on generate, and it will generate a tattoo based on the description. And you can see how a tattoo would look like on your or your client's body. You could sell this to a tattoo shop where people can experience how it is to have a tattoo on their body. So this takes a little while, and there you go. Here you got a tattoo here on the back of this person so that you can see how this looks like. Now you can do any kind of tattoo. You can describe it here. So let's do another one. So let's say we do a powerful dragon coiling around a long detailed sword on the back. We generate it, and there you go. You got the second picture. So you can see how a big tattoo will look like on the back. Now this is just one example. Let me show you another example here. So for example, this is a nice one. It's called Style Snap. And this is basically where you can upload a picture of yourself, or if you sell this to a hairstylist, you can say, okay, I'm going to upload a picture. Let's say this is my picture. I'm going to open this, and now you can choose your hairstyle. So let's say I want to have this same person. I want to see how long waves look like on this person. I can say try on, and check this out. Now you got the same person with long hair, long curly hair or waving hair. So you could also say, let's say we're going to do a bob. Let's see how a bob looks like on this person. And there you go. Check this out. So you can see it does a pretty good job of creating those apps. Let me see if I have one more. So with Ink Vision, we've got styles. Well, let's create one from scratch so I can show you how it works. So on the left side here, you have a menu where you have this AI creator. I love this one the best. You also have templates here. So when I go to templates, you got a whole library of templates. I'm going to show you how that works, but there are many apps to choose from, but I'm going through them in a few minutes. First, let me show you the AI creator where you can simply chat with a chatbot here. So I'm going to click on get started. And now I'm going to describe my app ID. So in this case, I want to create an app where I can upload a picture of my garden and ask the app to apply the changes that I like to make to my garden. Something like this. The AI will think about it himself. So here it's going to generate the response. And check this out. Hey, that sounds like a great idea. We can create an AI power tool that allows you to upload an image of your garden and describe the changes you'd like to make. The app will then generate a modified image reflecting those changes. To get started, could you please provide more details? What kind of changes would you like to apply to your garden? So I want to say one needs to be a text input field. 2, do you have any specific design styles or themes in mind? Make this a text input field. You could also pre-configure this with a drop down like you just saw with the hair app. So people can simply select what they like to choose. I like to get this as open as possible. Would you like to get a logo for your app? Yes. Create a logo with a tree matching the app. So I'm going to click send here, and now it's going to create the app for you. It's that simple. And there you go. Here at the right side, you can see the logo that it created here, garden transformation. You can also rename the app if you like to, upload the garden, and then change the description here and describe the changes you want to make to your garden. Okay. So I like this one. I'm going to click on create app here. And boom, my app is ready. We can test it. So let's check it out. There we go. So garden transformation, your AI assistant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload a picture of my garden. So here we have a picture of my garden. Let's upload that. Let me show you actually what the original image looks like. There you go. So this is the picture that we're going to upload. And now we're going to give this a description. So let's say I want to see how a swimming pool would look like in my garden here. Add a luxurious swimming pool to my garden. Let's see what it creates by a simple prompt like this. And there you go. Check this out. Now I can see how it looks like when I have a pool in my garden. Let's say I want to do something different. Let's say we want to have something totally different. Make this garden a luxurious garden with, well, not with, let's just say, let's come up with an ID from the AI here, generate. And there you go. So it made a little changes here on the right side. It added plants in here. So we need to be a little bit more specific. So I'm going to say, add an narrow swimming pool in the center and add wood to one of the on one side of the swimming pool with luxurious plants. Okay. Let's check this out. And boom, there you go here. You see it made the changes now. So I can say, okay, if I do wood at one side, of course, it depends on the prompts that you give, but this can give you a good idea how you can transform your garden, right? So this is just an app that we built straight out of the blue with the chat. So you can basically do anything. You simply click on get started, you give your ID, and it will create the app for you. That's how you can create an app, by simply chatting with a chatbot. Now, inside of the templates part here, you'll have a dozen templates. Of course, when you upgrade, you get more templates, but check this out. You get an AI fitness body visualizer. So visualize potential body transformation based on your fitness goals. So I also created one of those apps, by the way, here, which is a little bit different, but it's called here personalized workout generator. Let me show you that one as well. So I created this one with the chat as well, where I can say, okay, create and adapt personalized workout plans with AI. So let's say my fitness goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or endurance improvement. So let's say I want to do muscle gain here, and then provide feedback on your progress. So I feel stronger and more energetic. So I can say, I just got started and I feel weak. I can also say what I like to eat here. So I'm going to say, I want to add milk and chicken to my diet. And I'm going to say generate workout plan here. And of course, you can make this way more advanced by getting better questions. But check this out. Here you go. So you get here the full overview. Personalized workout plan for muscle gain. Phase 1 foundation building, weeks 1 to 4. Objective, establish a strong foundation and improve strength gradually. Workout, Monday, upper body strength. Then it's going to say bench press. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, bend over rows. So it's going to show me exactly what to do. On Wednesday, I need to do this training, and on Friday, I need to do this training. And then protein intake, aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram. As you can see here, motivational tips, feedback, and then phase 2, weeks 5 to 8. It's going to give me a whole schedule, as you can see from this simple app, by giving my goals in here. Now that's the same as in the templates here. So they have one which is a fitness body visualizer based on your fitness goals. I'm not going to show you all the apps, but you got the idea. We will do this one a little later, but let me go over the apps here. So AI face slimming app, AI baby face generator, AI face expression editor, a photo colorizer, AI wedding look app. So preview your wedding look with AI powered attire and makeup styles. An avatar style generator. Well, I can go on and on. As you can see here, you can watch the screen here while I scroll over these apps here, because These apps are super simple to activate. It's simply a few clicks of a button here, but ad copy generator, website SEO analyzer here. Let's see here, Google search ad headlines generator, TikTok ad creative generator. So basically anything that you can do with AI, like text, image, video, also music. So when I scroll up here, as you can see here, I can go on here. There are a lot of apps in here. When I scroll up here, I can also see text. There are 79 here. Image, so 25. When I click image, you can see everything that has to do with image in here. And then video here, it also integrates, but you need to integrate with Fall.ai. But it also a cinematic trailer creator, lip sync video generator, animate telt, not sure what that is. But that's with video, but also audio. You can also do a brand jingle generator or a harmony track or story narrator. VoiceOver Pro here, meditation voiceover. So let's create two apps here. I think I like this one. So let's do a brand jingle generator. I like this one. So I'm going to click on deploy. So this is how the templates work. And basically you're already done. You need to upload your own logo. You don't have to, but basically you click on next. You go through everything, but everything has been done for you. So here you can choose the models. So here you see all the AI models that you can choose from. And then you got the interface here, so you can change the colors of the app. And this can be done for every app. Also, when you created one with the AI creator, you will be able to open the app and make those changes, the color changes as well. You can also get all the options that you're seeing right here. You see them when you create them with the AI creator. So you could do customizable text here, what you want to show, like generate one moment, intelligence at play. If there's an error or whatever there is, you can modify this. You click on next here, and also you can do a user rate limiting. So protect your API keys by limiting how many times users can use your app. So you can enable here, and then you can say, I want to have a daily of 10 users. You can say, I want to have monthly, whatever you would like. You can configure this in here. This, by the way, is one of the upgrades. So make sure, again, to check out that link in the description for all the information and the details. You can also capture protection, add that to your forms if you'd like to do that. You have the option, this is, I think, front end. You have the option to show this to the public so everyone can use it. You can also password protect your AI apps. And you can also make them payable. That people need to pay for your apps in order to be able to use them. In this case, we're going to do free and then also the URL. So this is the URL that you're seeing right here. You can also add this to your custom domain so that you can rebrand them under your own domain, or you can say, hey, I'm going to do this on my customer's domain. We're going to deploy it on their domain. In this case, we're going to do this subdomain here, and I'm going to hit publish. And now my app is ready. So let's check this out. Let me copy this. Let's go to this page and replace this page by the new one here. So what is your name? And this is also the cool example where you can use these apps to build your list. So you can say, hey, want to have a free AI tool about this and that? Check this out. And if people want to use this, they need to fill out their name and email address in order to use it. And that way you can give apps away for free in order to build your list. So I'm going to do here, Tim Verdouw, and let's say my email here. And now I want to say the brand description and tone. So fun and playful jingle for kids toy brand. Well, let's do this. Let's just copy what's in here, paste that. So fun and playful jingle for a kids toy brand. Let's click on generate, and there it is. So let's listen to it. So that's the jingle that it created. Depends on which model you're using. Right now, it's linked to the model that you just saw, but that's one of the many apps that you can use, the brand jingle generator. Here, let's use one more template to show you how it works. So here, the AI fitness body visualizer. I think I like this one. You simply click on deploy here. Again, you can change the app name in here. Visualize potential body transformation based on your fitness goals. So I can go to Google, for example, and I can say here, fitness icon. And let's do colors. And let's just pick one, or let's do this one here. Let's download this one and let's go to the app and we can upload this logo here. Now we got this fun logo and we go through the app. Now basically you can go next, 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 and it works. So right now you can simply go here. And by the way, if you want to change the prompt, so this is the system prompt that's being used. So this app allows users to visualize their potential body transformation based on their fitness goals. Users can upload an image and describe the desired transformation, such as becoming more muscular or achieving a leaner arm. So let's copy this, becoming more muscular, because we're going to do this in the example. And we're going to click next here. Again, the interface, you can make the changes in here, access and URL domain. Now, one thing that I want to show you as well is the interface here. Is you can also go to the input builder. If you want to make changes, you can go to the input builder here and you can make the changes. So if you want to add a title here at the top, you can do that as well. If you want to have a subtitle field or a text field separator here, you could do also the checkbox field. You could do a video upload if you'd like to do that. So if you want to have a video on top here, you can do that as well. So you can make changes to these pages if you like to. So it's customizable. And then you can preview the app as well. So I'm going to save this. We're going to click URL domain. Again, you can use this on your own custom domain, but let's publish this and let's check this app. So this is the visualizer here. And by the way, you can also switch here by dark and light theme also in the backend here. If you want to change the app, if you want to work in light, you can do that as well. I also prefer the dark version. But let's say, okay, email address. And then upload an image. So let's say we're going to take this picture. We want to make this guy more muscular here. So we're going to open this one and now we give them instructions. So there's already there, more muscular. So let me copy that and paste that. And let's click on generate. So you could do this with muscles, but you can also do this with somebody who is overweight, for example, and the transition to losing weight. Here you go. Check this out. Now you can see how this body will look like with more muscles here. This is a body transformation, right? So let's do another one here. So let's say we're going to remove this one and we're going to take this picture of this guy here and we want to give him some more muscles as well. So we're going to do muscular arms and let's generate it. And there you go. Check this out. He's got more muscular. As you can see, the picture looks way better. Let me show you the original here. There you go. So here you can see them side by side. You see that? Oh, there you go. So it looks pretty nice, right? You can see the difference. It kept the face, but it made it more muscular. Of course, when he has more muscles in his arms, also the chest becomes a little bit better. But yeah, that's basically what you can do with AI wrappers by creating these apps. And of course, also you can do text-based apps, etc. You can create from templates and you can create from scratch as well. So when you click on create from scratch here, you can describe your app name, your description. You can go through the different models that you can choose from. And what I have to say about the models is that you need to integrate the models yourself. So Gemini is a free one, if I'm correct. So you can connect your Gemini app accounts or you get a lot of free credits. You can always use it with Gemini. You can connect your OpenAI key, which is not expensive at all as well. You can connect your cloud accounts, replicate here, Fall AI, and Stripe for the payments. They're also working, if I'm correctly, on PayPal as well. But you need to connect your own OpenAI keys or your AI keys in order to get AI wrappers working. So if you want to get the free or the very cheap version, you can use Google Gemini here. One thing that I also want to point out in one of the upgrades, if I'm correct, you also get the workspaces here. So when I click on add workspace, I can upload a logo here and I can say, for example, client A. If you use this for clients, and you can click on create workspace. And now you can switch between workspaces. So when I go to my client A workspace, it's completely empty now. So I'm in here, I go to my apps and now you don't see any app in here. So I can use this for specific clients and I can switch between workspaces here as well. So that's the workspace part. And that's basically it. Inside of the settings, it's simple, like your address here, like you can delete your account, you have your name, etc. But that's basically what AI Wrappers is all about. It's an app creator an AI wrapper where you can create these apps. And again, you can sell these under your own brand with your own domain, with your client's domain. They also have an offer where you can sell AI wrappers, the app itself, to clients as well. So yeah, I'd say just check it out in the descriptions. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. And please hit a thumbs up if this video was useful. I hope you got a good idea of what AIWrappers is all about. And consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of product reviews similar to products like you're seeing today. I also interview vendors. If you like to see the interview about AIWrappers, it's on my channel as well. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video and talk soon. Bye-bye.